Bon, alors, let's have a look. This is our beautiful little Loki. What you see there, this is not Popo, it's her food. She's a little bit difficult to feed. And today she is celebrating her 28th birthday. 28th day today. And look at these feathers, look at the tail, it's becoming yellow. And she is so attached to Francis already, and to me, and to this one. Oh, Ruby, I don't like what I just saw. She licked her lips when she looked at the bird, Francis. Don't ever touch that little bird. Oh, she just licks her and she cleans her after she eats. She loves the bird. She's very, very protective of the bird. It's amazing. Hey, Lori. So like I said, she's 28 days today. The feathers are coming out. We take her outside a lot to play with her and to distract her and make her play.
Come on. Come. Come, Loki.
Call her. Let's see if she comes to you.
Come. Come. Come.
Call her.
Come. Come.
Yeah.
Come.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah. Come. You see, let him. Come here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Another one?
It's not time to clean her yet. Not time to clean her yet, Ruby.
Go.
It's so good. Did I tell you that Ruby loves her food too? When there's a little bit left, Ruby wants to eat it.
Okay. She's used to that.
Yeah, you're used to the other side. Yeah.
See, she doesn't want it on this side. See?
Ah. Yeah, that's good. That's good. And look at the feathers. And her little crop. Show us her little crop, Francis.
I see your crop.
Whoa, look at
there
that.
is the crop.
It's full. But after we feed her, we put her back. Like I said, we play with her a little bit outside and inside the house. And then she goes into her box and she stops to make noise like that. She's very quiet when she's in her box. So now it's cleaning time. Ruby likes to clean her beak.
Come. You don't like
I think she did not like the poo-poo.
Yeah, the little bird. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. You can clean her now. Good. Good girl, Ruby. Good. I think she finds that her, how do you call these?
The crop?
No, not the crop. Like the feathers, the tube feathers, I guess. She finds it a little bit pricky.
Yeah, the pin feathers.
Yeah, the pin feathers.
Yeah. Look at the little baby now. She looks. Ooh. Yeah.
She didn't like the way you held her, I think.
Yeah.
You see, Ruby wants to smell her under the wings. You see? Good girl, Ruby. Good girl. So my friends, we hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so not to miss any upcoming updates. Until the next video!